Hi everybody, this is Joe with Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing another fun-filled, exciting video. Today's video, I'm up here at the house with my mom, aka Grandma, and she's going to help me cut some firewood that I just found the other day. I know it's not much, but this is going to be her very first time ever running a chainsaw, and this is wood that she's going to be burning, so this stuff's all ready to go. There's locust and cherry there, and a piece of ash that I got this morning, so I'm going to go ahead and set this camera up. I'll be holding the pieces because I think they're too heavy for her. Plus, it was on her bucket list that she wanted to run a chainsaw. Right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Well, I'll start this off for you, and then you know how to turn it off. And then we'll get these pieces cut, and you'll have firewood for a day for tomorrow when it's raining. Got the Stihl MS 291. If you're ready, Grandma. Okay, you know what to do. Give me gas. Come on, squeeze the trigger. You gotta squeeze the trigger. Hey, Grandma. Look at the throttle. Right here. You hold this down and you pull this trigger. This is what you're supposed to do. So, you ready? You don't need to go to full throttle either of these little pieces. Go ahead. Perfect. Here's a piece of ash. One more. Piece of locust. Go ahead and kill it. Now we got to get it stacked. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. And we got them cut nice and short like you like them. Well, what'd you think, guys? What'd you think of her technique? She does that back and forth thing. I know I sometimes do that too. Maybe that's who I get it from, but you know, this will probably last us a day. It's supposed to be up in the upper 50s later this week, so maybe we won't be burning as much. So that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and always like this video, like Joe's Premium Firewood on Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.